Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix Wi-Fi connection problem in Windows 10. So if you want to do it, you need to click right mouse button icon of a start, and then you need to go to device manager. After that we need to open network adapters, and here we need to select one from the available adapters. So in this one problem I will select Intel Air Dual Band Wireless AC 8260, and then I click right mouse button on it and I go to properties. Now we need to go to driver tab, and here we need to find option update the driver for this device. I click on this one button, update driver, and you will see this one window. We have here question, how do you want to search for drivers? We need to select here search automatically for drivers. Then Windows will search your computer for the best available driver and install it on your device. So I click here, and you will see this one information, the best drivers for your device are already installed, but if there is any old driver installed, it should be automatically updated. So if it fixed your problem, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to buy me coffee from link in description. So now you can close this window, this one window too, and you are ready to use your PC.